To set colors as a screensaver on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap screensaver and then select colors. You can tap preview button to see how the colors will appear. As a note, the screensaver will active after the screen turns off automatically while you are charging your phone. Given to the function, setting colors as your screensaver adds a vibrant, dynamic look to your phone when it's idle, creating a visually appealing effect. It also helps prevent screen burn-in by ensuring that pixels do not stay static for long periods, which is especially useful for AMOLED display. This feature not only enhances aesthetic but also maintains screen health while using minimal battery power. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.